Let's do some PR unboxing today. Let's unbox things that I got from Wishcare. I'm looking forward to this because they've launched something really new and innovative. सबसे पहले I have their lip balms. I like this one. इसका कलर मुझे काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है. ये clear variant है and both of them are really hydrating. Also you get SPF of 50. Then I have their multi-peptide anti-hair fall shampoo and their multi-peptide anti-hair fall conditioner. I think I finished a bottle of this already. ये काफी अच्छा है and in fact जब मैं नाइकालैंड के लिए गई थी ना, I was actually recommended this because I have really dry scalp and they say that this will work out for me. So they have sent me sunscreens also. ये है SPF 50 body lotion. I think I finished bottles and bottles of this. This is very lightweight and you get SPF of 50 for just rupees 4.99. My favorite fluid sunscreen from them. This is the light and matte variant. And lastly I have is their hair growth serum. So when I went to Nykaa I actually talked to their founder and we also talked about the new launches that they are doing and I got to try them as well. These are two new moisturizers from them. So this is the Barrier Bounce Moisturizer and this is the NMF Water Gel. Okay, next we have is another PR package from Plum. Oh. Guys, you have to look at it. Like, look at the box. So this is just as extravagant as the other one. Just look at the detailing. ये faux leather का है and it almost looks like a mini suitcase. I don't know what's inside this. We are going to know this together. Okay. Case file. So we have this case file. Okay, and this says truth inside. Here, जिनका results probably यहाँ पर है. So we have the in vitro test for the sunscreen. Cruelty free testing है यहाँ पर. I mean, they have all the tests. Oh my god, they have sent all the testings that they have done for the product, which is great. Then we have the non-comedogenic test for their sunscreens probably. Yes. And blue light test भी है, brightening test भी है, water resistance test भी है. So basically this file has all the tests जो Plum ने अपने sunscreens पे करवाए हैं. And the way that they have presented it is actually very innovative and interesting. Here's what we have. We have sunglasses, a magnifying glass once again, a notebook, and my favorite sunscreen of all times. Like, or not of all times. This is one of my favorite sunscreen, and I think I've finished 2 tubes of it already. This is SPF 50 PA++++. It also has niacinamide and it is a hybrid sunscreen, which means it has chemical as well as physical filter. I genuinely love this product. I've used it and I know that this is good. The packaging is just so innovative. I really liked it and that was it.